Hi, I'm Rachel, a product manager from the Facebook Ads by Wix product team. I'm going to tell you a little bit about attribution models and why they're so important for your business. An attribution model is a rule or set of rules that can tell you where your online sales come from. In short, it tracks your customer's journey. But why is that important? Consider this. Your potential customers get to your website through search, social media, email campaigns, and more. And once they reach your website, there's a lot they can do, like view products, add a product to their cart, and make a purchase. We call all of that the customer journey. Here's an example. Penny has a Wix store called Penny's Prints and Posters. She recently created a Facebook Ads by Wix campaign to help boost sales. Wix's smart algorithm constantly tests and optimizes her ad on Facebook and Instagram so that it reaches the right customers, like Keith. When Keith clicks the ad and visits her site, then makes a purchase, that purchase is attributed to her Facebook Ads campaign. It's important that you understand and analyze your customer journey so that you know how to spend your marketing budget to get maximum value. If you have a Wix website, it's helpful to have data that gives you a full picture of how your marketing efforts are working. There are a number of attribution models that can help you do it, like first click, or last impression, but today I'm going to focus on Facebook's. This is a 7-day model. So in the example of Penny's Prints, if Keith makes a purchase within 7 days of clicking the ad on Facebook or Instagram, that purchase is attributed to Penny's Facebook Ads campaign. This is a little different than from other sources like Google Analytics, which is based on a 30-day last click non-direct model by default. When you're checking your Facebook Ads by Wix data, keep in mind that all of the statistics are taken directly from Facebook. Any other data about your Wix website is based on information gathered from other sources. So you might notice small differences. One important thing to know, too, is that site visitors who don't consent to cookies won't be counted in your site data. That's to protect their privacy, and you can read more about it in the link below. And that's it. Now you know more about attribution models, how they work, and why marketeers use them.